And 2019 Gen 2 Hayabusa that fell over on its kickstand. So today we're going to be doing the kickstand mod, which is absolutely free. You just got to have a couple little tools. But when it does fall over, which is a very common Gen 2 issue, you can see it's just broke everything up, from bar ends to clutch lever, mirror. It just did all kinds of damage. So basically what I'm going to do first is I took off the springs off the back. It's easier to do when you have the kickstand all the way up. Just take a big screwdriver like this and just kind of pry it off, and it just fall right off. So once the springs are removed, you take a 14mm and take your nut off. And then from there, so what I did right here is I just took a Sharpie and came out about 1/4 of an inch. And that's exactly what I'm going to grind down, front and back side. So from now, I'm just going to go ahead and take that nut out. Okay, so after you get the 14mm from the front, you just take it and unscrew the back. Okay, so now you see my mark here. I'm gonna have to do the same thing for the back. Go back and test it. All right, now that we got it all cut out, basically all we got to do is just put it back on. And that is a 17mm. You can see right about there would have been original, and I just moved it basically 1 inch. And that should give me plenty enough more to keep this thing from sliding back. So here's the bike off the stands. Now that, as you can see, if you're looking straight down, that bad boy is really tilted forwards. In my last video, you can see it's pretty much straight down. There was very little play in it. And here I'm just gonna really rock the bike. It's sturdy. I don't feel that I'm gonna be having this thing tip over again. Gen 2 issue fixed. Hopefully I saved one of you out there from letting it happen to you.